are we up to?
Well, I think we're going to a Joshua Kane fashion show. Joshua Kane fashion show. That's what I think we're doing.
And what are we wearing?
I think I'm calling this mint chocolate chip because that would be
Oh.
It's the runway. It's gonna be there's gonna be a She-Hulk there. This is madness, and people are not wearing enough green.
They never are.
Did you get the memo?
I know.
Pulling up, I got like a little heart. My heart started beating and pounding. My dragon ring was shaking. I was like, oh, okay, we're doing this.
Can I get a 360 of your outfit? Because it's not 360. Look, this is how you style it up for the red carpet.